Hi everyone, this is Julio from Fitness Foundry and I hope you are well. And before I go any further, if you could be nice enough to hit that subscribe button. So here's an A-list pro tip for building your business or continuing to build your business. An important part of maintaining and expanding your business is continuously speaking with prospects. So I highly suggest to add an event to your calendar and block off time of where you will speak or do some prospecting. It could be a half hour or 15 minutes, and treat it like you would with any appointment or any paid appointment where you will get a notification, you will show up and you will do what you need to do. Secondly, create an objective. Say you're going to speak to 1 to 3 new individuals, or you're going to follow up with other members that you have been speaking with. So there it is. This is just a quick way to use the technology we have. Set a reminder in your calendar and then follow up, take action, and watch your business grow. Thank you.